bro?
Yeah, bud.
Okay.
It's 4:30 in the morning. I want to go home. Get that stupid boat out of the pool. Let's go. Right now. Hey, you idiot. There's no rope. There's no rope tied to that anchor, and you're in a You guys pretty proud of yourselves there.
Shut up! All the time with the nagging.
You guys think you need anything else to drink?
A little H2O. I could use some water.
Get in the truck.
Out the river to boots. See him book. See this. Don't want to bother. Here you go, boys. It's doable. Who would have ever thought? Drops down a bit more now.
From the bourbon's
There you
away.
go. Look, the boat's going
Oh,
quick
there's the
now.
boat. Hey, see you later.
And that's where the brakes just, yeah.
That's
That's
where the
it.
boat should be
Oh, when
forward.
you go to the floor,
But you're on the wrong side of the boat,
did
Steve.
the brake go to the floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You bust a hose or something. Surprising, there's a little oil in there. That's what I'm amazed about. That's why I was stressing to get it out before oil
Oh,
went
there,
everywhere.
there was only oil when we started putting it out.
Yeah, no, I'm impressed.
Oh,
The tires are flat on this side.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I noticed inside. That's why I wanted to come out. If it was going to roll, I wanted to catch it live. Oh my God. Jesus, that's a big boat.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
There goes the
it
boat.
goes. There it goes. There it goes.
goes
Get
the
out
boat.
of the way.
That's gonna hit. That's gonna hit. Yeah.
that on video.
Officially over.
Alright, it's time to abdicate the area.
Just leave that son of a bitch there. Oh yeah.
Oh no, there goes the truck. It's going to the truck. Into the truck. Look out.
Going in the water.
Oh my god.
He's scared now. He's like, oh, which way do I go?